I'm thinking about some of the songs that as kids we sang, and actually, they're just the same way there are a lot of anti-Semitism. There's somewhat a bit of reaction to Gentiles. My father told me a song that his kids sang in Russia was Azochen we ist zu see, a kalke Gott haben sie, aber unser Gott was im Himmel Luther, als was will dann tut. So pity them. They have a crippled God. But our God, who lies in heaven, does whatever he wants. It's a little taunt. Yeah. And I remember what's this thing, Itsy Bitsy Spider thing that you do to kids? And my uncle did this to me, and he'd say, es kommt es kriegt, a galach kommt. So it's coming, it's crawling, it's a priest,